As you might know, VMware Workstation is now free for personal use. But for some reason the download page isn't that easy to find. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download VMware Workstation for Windows. If you're having trouble finding the VMware Workstation download page, what you need to do is follow the steps on this web page. It's also linked in the video description. First, click this link to go to the Broadcom registration page and create a new account using your email. After creating your account, make sure to log in to the Broadcom support portal. Then click on the download link located under Step 3. This should take you directly to the VMware Workstation download page. From there, you can download the latest version of VMware Workstation Pro for your Windows PC. And that's it. Now you can install VMware Workstation and use it to run a virtual machine on your Windows PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials.